In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop your tablet kickstand cover from collapsing. So if your kickstand cover looks similar to this, so this particular one has a little flap or a tab on the back. So you fold the cover round and you can slot it into place and it gets held into place like that. So you can then use your tablet. Problem is, if you do use this on your lap or in bed, every time you move, it comes away and the whole thing just collapses. So I've found a simple way to fix this problem. So I'm going to use Velcro tape, also known as hook and loop tape. So this comes in two different types. So it comes in a soft side, which is called the loop side, and it comes in a rough side, which is called the hook side. So the two pieces, once you stick them together, they stick, but you can also pull them apart quite easy. So you can buy this stuff from eBay or any DIY store. It only costs a few pounds if you want a small strip of it. When you do buy it, make sure you buy both the hook and the loop side, unless obviously it won't work. So all I'm going to do is basically put one piece underneath here and one piece up here. So I'm going to make sure I'm going to use the soft side on this part here, because it comes in contact with the screen, and obviously the rough side, though it's only a very small chance, it might scratch the screen because it is quite rough. So I'm going to use the soft side so it comes into contact with the screen. There's not going to be any issues with it being scratched. So the next step is to cut a piece to size. So all you're going to need is a pair of scissors. If you want to use a ruler, you can do. If not, just measure it using the tab and so on. So I'm going to cut a piece to size. So I've now attached the one piece of Velcro underneath the little flap here. So the next step is to stick the softer side on the back of the cover here. So again, I'm just going to put it into place to get an idea where it should be. Put it down there. So I just get a general idea. Once I've got an idea, I can then pull the back off. And I can then stick it into place. Again, if this goes wrong, of course, I can use more Velcro if I want to. So again, once it's into place, just put your finger over it for 4 or 5 seconds to make sure it bonds properly. And then if I put that into place here, you can see that goes down. So you can now see that it's in place. If I even turn it upside down, just going to adjust the camera, you can see that it stays in place even when I shake it around. And it's really easy to get back up. Just pull the tab up, flip into place like that. So you can see the soft side comes into contact with the screen. It still closes as it's very thin. And just flip it around, put it into place, and you can see it's pretty strong. So even when I'm shaking it around, it's not coming into place, but it's not strong. It's not so strong that I can't pull it away. So there's a little tip for you. Thanks for watching.